Hey, Julie here, Lorinda. I wanted to show you what I would recommend for you. So anyway, for your natural personality, but also just your natural beauty and you want simplicity, here's what I would recommend. So you probably have your own moisturizer. If you don't, I do love this Seint moisturizer. And I would take this, and the color I'm recommending is called Sandy. Okay, it's this third one here. And I'm gonna I take my finger, and then I'm just gonna mix these together. And it's best if you do it kind of in your, in the palm of your hand, just like this. And then you just get kind of some color. And then I would dab it here in these strategic places. Now, you can use, if you want to, you could use your fingers, and so that's what I'm gonna do. But you could also use your brush. But what you're gonna do is you're gonna see how this makes your skin look. I'm gonna go right up under my eyes, onto my forehead, and blend this in. Remember that whole, hey, this is the first time I've done this, like done the tinted moisturizer. I like it, it feels amazing. Okay, so I would start with that, okay? Then these are just the things I'm gonna recommend for you, thinking about your desires. Then I'm going to take, I know this looks really dark, but it really isn't. This is called Black Cherry, and then this one is Royal. I'm gonna go with the Royal. And then I'm gonna, again, it's cream. I'm gonna put that on my cheeks. Okay, you see, I got way too much. It does not take much. But the cool thing is, okay, blend it off. Blend it off. So just a little dab. I was not paying very good attention. Okay. Okay, so you can see that. All right, then I would recommend for you, so we have this cool product called Illuminator. There's several shades. I would recommend for you, it's called Angel. Here's what Illuminator does, and especially as our skin gets older and starts to get more dull. So Illuminator just brightens, it lifts your eye, lifts the eye when people are looking at you. So you put it up here at the top of your cheekbone, okay? And then I usually recommend that you put some right here. And then I'm gonna show you one other place to put it. And then for your shadow, I know you like neutrals. So I'm gonna recommend for you, first one, this is called Shape and Bend, or Bend and Shape, I think. And I'm gonna recommend this for your lid. You'll be amazed at this shadow. It's highly pigmented, so it doesn't take very much. And then you can, if you want to, use another color up here at your brow. I'm not gonna do that right now because I'm going for the natural look. And then I'm gonna do just a little bit, this is called Oak, out in the corner. Okay. And then I'm gonna go back to that illuminator and put just a dab up here right at the brow bone. All right. Does that make sense, hopefully? And then I would put on mascara. Now, here's one thing to remember about Seint. we don't have mascara. We don't have mascara because they say that everybody has their own favorite mascara. It depends on the brush, the formula. The brush is a big thing. And so Seint does not have mascara. So you'll have to continue to buy your own mascara. I buy cheap now. Gosh, I buy from Maybelline mostly. I like the brush. Okay. Then for your liner, I'm going to recommend that you take, I have a liner here. I have one called Trust. And I'm just going to do a little bit underneath, and you just go out in the outer corner. I looked cross-eyed. Out here. Don't go all the way in, just go about halfway. Okay. Now, you could totally stop there, and I'll take a picture when I'm done. But I do recommend my clients, if you're willing, I don't know, it looked like you did your brows, so you may have a brow cream. If you don't, I can recommend a brow color. I would say probably you could use, we have one here called, that'd be about right for you probably. I would recommend probably one that's called Olive. It's really good with gray, with the salt and pepper hair. But I don't know if you remember, but back in beauty control days, we always said frame your eyes. So, see how that lifts? I'm gonna do the other side. But again, you don't have to if you don't want to do this, or if you've already got a brow that you use. Okay? So that's it. That is what I would recommend. Now, lest we forget lips. So you go back and the same product that you used for your, that you used for your cheeks, use for your lips. And what works really good is to do your lips first. Now this casts more pink, and you can control it totally by doing it lighter or heavier. But I would say either royal or black cherry. If you don't want quite as much red, do the black cherry. So, okay, that's what I would recommend. And then of course you can powder all over. And we have a setting spray that works super duper nice for setting the makeup. And I like it. I know that you like powder, so then I would just powder all over. Okay. Yeah. That's it. If you want to, you can put some of the illuminator here at the brow, up here at the brow. Hopefully that all made sense. I'll take a picture of the after, and then I'll send you an email.